Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can reset your OneDrive, that is, free up all of your space on OneDrive. To do so, all you have to do is go on to your current account on OneDrive by going on to your Google Chrome browser, go on search for OneDrive, and then just log into your OneDrive account. After you have logged in into your account, you can see that on the My Files, there are all of the files that you have on your OneDrive. Now, if you want to reset and delete all of these files to free up all of the space, once you have already downloaded all of the files of your OneDrive into your PC or your hardware, all you have to do is go on and hover it in this file section. After that, Control plus A, and you will select all. After that, you can simply click on the delete option, and after that just confirm an action and press delete again, and all of the things will be sent into the recycle bin. And after it is on the recycle bin, again go on to it and now Control A to select all, and from here delete it permanently, making your OneDrive free of space. Or there is another way to do it, that is simply by opening up a new OneDrive account or also buying more subscription on the current account to get your more storage that you need on your OneDrive. So guys, this was for this video, and that is how you can reset your OneDrive. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.